We have another Air Max 95 to review today, but this one might be for the bro. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you're having a great time out there. Hope you're all looking after yourselves. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel, guys. Today, that's right, guys, we're reviewing the Air Max 95 Big Bubble LFC collaboration. This is a sneaker that came out last week. It's randomly appearing everywhere. It is going to get a full release on the 16th of April. So watch out for that. If you are a Liverpool fan, you definitely want these. This is for the bro. I might try for a 10 for him because it's a 9.5. But before we look at the sneaker, before we actually break it down, please do like, follow, subscribe, come and chat to me. Let's have a conversation. Let's break it down like we always do. And please do check out the Shoot Up podcast with me and the bro, 808 Kicks ATO. Go follow the bro at 808 Kicks _ATO. Go show him some love and support because he always shows the channel love and support. And also, please do check out the Shoot Up podcast. We talk about sneaker drama, sneaker news, sneaker bad behavior, because we always take that to sneaker court or public opinion. And also, guys, keep doing the amazing things that you guys keep doing to hit your goals, to hit your targets, to keep elevating, to keep growing, because I want you to win. You guys need to keep winning because you need to keep growing, elevating, and killing your goals, because this is what it's all about in this channel. It's all about growth for everybody. But today, guys, that's right, we're gonna have a look at this amazing sneaker. As you can see from the B-roll, guys, we're looking at the Air Max 95 LFC, the Liverpool collaboration with Nike, and this is going to be the last collaboration they're going to do before they switch over to Adidas. And this is a collaboration, I think it's the third variation. We got one in 2015, 2020, and this is marking the 30th anniversary, and we actually get another variation before they move over to Adidas. And this is an absolutely beautiful sneaker. But before we look at the sneaker, we are going to actually have a look at the box, and we'll break down the sneaker after that, because the box comes in this regular Nike Air box, as you can see, all red with a Nike swoosh on it. Inside you get the normal tissue paper. It's just a generic box with tissue paper in it, and obviously, guys, you got the stamp at the top there, as you can see. If you can see that, guys, that's what it comes in. That's basically what it is. It's just a regular box, and I was hoping to get a special box, especially when I bought this on the actual Liverpool website. And also on top of that, I said collaboration. I would have thought there was some accents with Liverpool on it and the box, but it isn't. It's just a regular release. It feels like a GR, to be honest. It feels like a sneaker that came and it's a GR, but we have special accents on it. It has special meaning. And me being a Liverpool fan, I'm giving this to the bro because it's actually a 9.5. I can fit a 9.5, but we're looking at 9.5 and a 10, and he reached out and I actually had to help him. I was looking at this sneaker. I'm keen on the sneaker. I've seen the sneaker. It looks dope. We're going to break that down in a bit. But with the box itself, you've got the affiliated writing at the bottom. You've got all of the actual Nike swooshes on it. And then this is what the box logo looks like. This is how it is. This is how it should come, guys. Make sure it is like this. This is official. This came from Liverpool itself, the Liverpool store. And it kind of sold out rapidly. And this is a sneaker that keeps selling out. It released on the 9th of April. And basically, it's sold out pretty much everywhere. It's releasing again on the 16th of April, like I said, so watch out for that. It's coming on the sneakers app, or I actually might release on Nike.com. It's going to sell out, guys. It is going to be a sneaker that is going to sell out because a lot of Liverpool fans, and there's been a bit of a drift between London and Liverpool arguing about where the 110 stands, but Liverpool guys are absolutely buying the sneaker up. I think it's like a semi-limited release because on the Liverpool website, I think JD actually dropped them in store or in Liverpool, and you have to be there to actually cop it, which is random. I was looking at JD first, and then obviously I've noticed that Liverpool was going to drop it anyway, so I actually copped for the bro on the Liverpool website. But that's how it seems it's going to be with this release. So if you want it, and if you're a Liverpool fan, you gotta be quick with these because it's an absolutely beautiful sneaker in hand. But like I said on the box label, it reads Nike Air Max 95. It's black, grey, red, DK smoke grey. So basically it's got the transition of the reverse gradient on this as well. It's a 10.5, like I said, there's a 10.5 US, 9.5 UK, and EU size is 44.5, women's size 12. So if you're interested in the sizes, that's what size is. The actual logo reads, or the box logo code is HM4830001. That's how it should be, that's how it should come, that's how it should look. Make sure it's like that, guys. Pretty much that's how it should be, guys. That's the box, guys. Now let's take a look at these sneakers. It's sneaker time, so hey presto shabang. And as you can see, guys, this is the Air Max 95 LFC, the Liverpool collaboration, the last variation, the third variation of the Nike Air Max with Liverpool. It is nice, it is very nice, and off the bat you can see that reverse gradient which goes from that grey, smoke grey, dark black grey, and then you've got the grey on the top panel. It looks nice, it looks absolutely nice. You've got the red swoosh and the red accents to identify Liverpool colours, because obviously Liverpool Football Club actually wear red predominantly, and this is what the red accents on the loopholes at the top and the actual swooshes. And even on the tongue you've got that grey, black, and those red accents on the tongue with the white. I would have loved to see the away kit, that green away kit, Liverpool kit would have looked dope on this. I might do a rendition and drop it on Instagram, so go and check me out on Instagram if you follow me. I might do a little rendition to show how a different variation of the Air Max 95 might have looked if it was the away kit, or especially the green away kit. I think that would have looked dope. But this is what the actual Liverpool sneaker looks like. Black outsole, which I love on this as well, and you've got in the air bubble, if you can see that, guys, that red air bubble unit. And obviously this is the big bubble, and you can see the stripe that runs through this to make it identify as the big bubble. The regular actual 95s don't have the actual little strip or the little seam down the bubble. That's the actual indication, and I will do a breakup between a big bubble and a regular 95, because I do have the Atlanta 95s, I do have the Stash 95s, and this is the first variation of the 95 big bubble I have, so I might do a breakdown between the two. It'll be interesting to see what the actual differences are. I won't do it right now, but I'll do it between the comparison videos to show you guys. But you got more of that actual suede that hits the actual toe, which is black. It's predominantly like a grey and black sneaker with a reverse gradient on this with red accents. I love that, and it looks nice to my personal opinion. You've got an actual strap that wraps around the laces, and that's all 3M. And right at the back, guys, you've got the Nike Air on the back, and this is why I think they should have changed it a bit. This is 3M as well. It would have been nice to see some of the actual Liverpool symbology on the back like they've done with the Atlanta 95s, and it would have been dope in my personal opinion. But you do get some of that actual logo in the tongue. As you can see underneath the tongue, you've got that Liverpool logo with the actual bird on the back as well. And inside as well, you've got, I'm gonna try and get this right, you'll never walk alone on this as well. As you can see, I'm gonna try and see if you can get this, guys. Well, you got a badge in there as well which says you never walk alone. I don't think you'll be able to catch it on the camera, but it's a little badge, and it does say Nike, and it does say LFC on the left hand side, Air Max in the middle, and you never walk alone. I might leave a picture up there as well so you guys can see it. Inside, I'm gonna take the tissue paper out because most of it's all full of tissue paper. As you can see, guys, I'll probably show it. I won't put a picture up, I'll show it now. It is literally that's the badge. That's what it looks like. That's how it is. You've got more of this recycled foam on this as well. I wanna see how this feels on feet, and hopefully it's gonna be more of a sneaker that actually is way more comfortable with that recycled foam. It is more of a recycled foam unit on it, and there's nothing else. I thought there would have been like something you never walk alone on the actual underneath the insole, but it's not. But that is what the sneaker looks like. That is how it is. The outsole is pretty much red and black, and then you've got that spine that runs through it, and it doesn't have the PSIs on this as well, but normally with the regular releases you get the PSIs on this. Absolutely dope, absolutely beautiful in my personal opinion. I love the reverse gradient on this. It's nice. I think there's other variations of the Liverpool FC that are better than this in my personal opinion. Like the 2015 pair is dope, and the 2020 pair is absolutely nice as well. This is a good rendition, but it reminds me of like a GR sneaker, but that's what it's all about for the 30th anniversary. But Liverpool's last collaboration with Nike in terms of the Air Max 95, I'm glad to get this finally in hand. It's been like a year and a bit that I've actually been into Air Max 95, so it's good I can actually get this and actually feel this. But it is a nice collaboration. A little nice bye-bye from Nike and Liverpool in terms of partner deal. I would love to see a bit more from them. They did drop a lot of apparel, which was dope. Go and check that out. If you are actually on the Liverpool website, or if you join the Liverpool website, you'll be able to see it. They've done like black tops, white tops and all that stuff, which is dope, and actual joggers and cargos. And yeah, the price range is pretty reasonable, if I'm honest. That's what the sneaker looks like. That's how it is. That's how it comes. And I'm going to give you, like I do on this channel, the front perspective, and you can see the red accents and the actual 3M stripe. Absolutely dope in my personal opinion. The booty action on the back, the lateral side, that medial side, and that beautiful black and red outsole, giving you that 360-degree rotation. Make sure it's on your feet. Make sure you keep bringing the heat, and make sure you keep bringing all of that heat. Liverpool FC, Nike, Air Max 95, and I'm so glad Liverpool are going to probably win the Premier League this year. There's 20th Premier League, or yeah, 20th title, which would be absolutely dope. So fire, so dope. I won't have these on feet, so don't wait for the end of the on feet, because basically I might have to give this to the bro, so I don't want to unds these unless he really doesn't want them. Then I probably will kind of put a picture up on Instagram to show you guys what it looked like. This is a nice rendition in my personal opinion. Absolutely dope, absolutely fire. And then you got obviously that mesh that runs through and encapsulates those loopholes, which the Amamaniers didn't have, because it's just basically seen through the actual leather to actually produce that. And the stashes didn't have that either, which was nice to see, because you could see the transparency between the suede and the leather. Beautiful collaboration, absolutely dope, absolutely fire. And that was the review for the Air Max 95 LFC Liverpool's collaboration. Last one of the actual switch between Nike and Adidas, which is sad. I would like to see what they come up with, because I think LeBron's released a couple of sneakers, or LeBron's released a couple of variations with Nike and Liverpool, and he does own a share in Liverpool, so it'd be quite interesting to see if they ever release another LeBron with actual Liverpool. That would be quite interesting. Nice sneaker, absolutely beautiful. And if you love Liverpool, you definitely need these in your rotation. That's all I'm saying. That was the review, guys. Hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year, like I always say at the channel. And do join me for the next reviews. I'm going to do a comparison with the Air Max 95s. I've got another sneaker on the way, another SB Jordan 4 potentially on the way, so that's coming, so watch out for that. And like I do on this channel, I hope you have an amazing week, amazing month, and an amazing year. And I hope you guys cop the sneakers you like, because you deserve to get the sneakers you want from me, TJ. Until the next review, peace out for now, guys, and peace.